Also, I believe that knowing our roots and how our ancestors succeeded in their lives will give us pride, hope, and appreciation. Hello? Good day, people. I hope you're having a good time. I am here to give you knowledge and visualization about Quezon Park. First, let me give you a tour of its historical background. And is the reason why we savor the gift of the present. In the heart of Dumaguete City lies the timeless beauty, story, and creation standing as the passage of our history, the Quezon Park. The original foundation of it was built by renowned Filipino architect Juan Arellano in 1754. However, as time passed, the Quezon Park rebuilt to its new version. With the direction of Sr. Juan Posadas on November 16, 1916, Quezon Park transformed into an area as a recreational ground named after former President Manuel L. Quezon. The reason for naming it after him is that he visited Negros Oriental and Dumaguete City 15 times. Next is to honor his efforts for the passage of Jones Law, or the Philippine Autonomy Act, on August 29, 1916. And lastly, he used Dumaguete Port as his route during his escape together with his family and military escort to Australia on March 6, 1942. Now, in this part, let's go to the center of the park. The back-to-back iconic statue of José Rizal and Maria Clara, where Maria Clara is said to be the fictionalized, typical Filipina Leonor Rivera in Rizal's novel. This statue were given by the National Historical Research Division. It was created by a renowned Filipino sculptor, Eulogio Garcia Villard. The 3 stars at the top of Rizal and Maria Clara represent Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and at the bottom of the monument you could see the 3 versions of the last poem written by Rizal, which are in English, Bisaya, and Spanish. Also, there are sculptures and fountains in the park, which were designed by the Italian sculptor Francesco Riccardo Monti. During his time in the Philippines from 1930 until his passing in 1958, he forged collaborations with renowned national artists such as Pablo Antonio, Jose Zaragoza, Conrado de Leon, and Juan Arellano, who laid the groundwork for Quezon Park in Dumaguete. Additionally, he imparted his expertise in sculpture as a faculty member at the University of Santo Tomas. became one of the central gatherings for community activities and celebrations in the city. It is located on Percides Street in the city, near the Cathedral of St. Catherine of Alexandria and the Bell Tower. At its center, there is the Kiwani Stage, which was given by the Kiwani's Club of Dumaguete City. It is used as a venue for events and sometimes for tourists or visitors if the area is free. Additionally, Quezon Park offers other features, such as an old car displayed, playgrounds, and big trees. Also, as the sun rests and darkness envelops the park, it transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of light. Trees has a colorful illuminated balls, spotlights casting a glow upon the statue, a stage, and awing streetlights. To end this, I want to give you guys an interesting rumor. In the midst of the beauty and history of Quezon Park, there is an existing joke that whenever a beautiful girl passes by, Maria Clara will scold Jose Rizal, which undeniably adds color to the story and essence of Quezon Park. So that's all, people. I hope you enjoy this and gain some knowledge. Thank you for watching. Bye.